France. The name itself conjures up romantic images. From the Eiffel Tower to the canals of Strasbourg, France offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, France has something for every traveler. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and secrets of this enchanting country. What draws travelers to France year after year? Perhaps it's the romanticism, the je ne sais quoi of French life. Or maybe it's the rich history evident in grand castles and cobblestone streets. France celebrates life's simple pleasures: good food, good wine and good company. From the Alps to the Riviera, there's a corner of France waiting to be discovered. Whether you dream of skiing, hiking or relaxing on a beach, France has it all. Planning a trip to France is an adventure in itself. This guide will provide insider tips and practical advice for your perfect French adventure. We'll uncover must-see attractions and hidden gems, offering a true essence of French culture. So grab a notebook, pour a glass of wine, and let's plan your French adventure. Paris. Known as the City of Lights, Paris captivates with its charming streets and iconic landmarks. The Seine River flowing through Paris offers magical sunset strolls. Parisian cafes are legendary. Find a sidewalk table, order a café crème, and watch the world go by. The beauty of Paris lies in its grand avenues and hidden courtyards. Paris is best explored on foot, with each turn revealing a new delight. Parisian landmarks, icons of history and grandeur. The Eiffel Tower dominates the skyline with its wrought iron grace. The Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa, is a must-see. Visit the Palace of Versailles for a taste of Parisian grandeur. Notre Dame Cathedral, despite renovations, continues to inspire awe. These landmarks stand as symbols of Parisian resilience and art. Exploring the arrondissement, a journey through Parisian life. Paris is divided into 20 arrondissements, each with its own charm. The Latin Quarter is a vibrant hub for students and book lovers. The Marais district offers a blend of history, culture and modern life. Montmartre retains its artistic spirit with street painters and charming cafes. Discover the heart and soul of Paris in its everyday moments. A culinary adventure, the flavors of France. French cuisine is renowned for its elegance and diversity. Each region boasts its own unique flavors and culinary heritage. Indulge in France's world-renowned cheeses and wines. Enjoy a casual lunch at a bistro or a multi-course meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Food is an integral part of French culture, meant to be savored and shared. From bistro to brasserie, experiencing French dining. Bistros offer a casual atmosphere with classic French dishes. Brasseries serve a wide range of dishes in beautiful Art Nouveau buildings. For an unforgettable experience, try a Michelin-starred restaurant. Embrace the French approach to food, take your time and savor each bite. Dining in France is an experience to be savored, not rushed. The art of the café, a Parisian ritual. Cafés are woven into the fabric of Parisian society. Order your drink, find a seat, and observe the art of people-watching. Cafés offer a selection of pastries, sandwiches, and salads. For a true Parisian experience, enjoy a croissant with your coffee. The café is a place to relax, recharge, and soak up Parisian ambiance. Versailles, a glimpse into royal splendor. The Palace of Versailles stands as a testament to French monarchy opulence. The Hall of Mirrors is a sight to behold with its glittering chandeliers. The gardens, designed by André Lenotre, are a masterpiece of formal French design. Lose yourself in this verdant paradise, imagining courtly life. Versailles offers an immersion into a bygone era of absolute power and beauty. The windswept beaches of Normandy hold a solemn beauty. Here, Allied forces landed on D-Day, securing the liberation of Europe. Walk along the beaches and reflect on the bravery and sacrifice. Visit the Normandy American Cemetery and Memorial for a deeper understanding. Explore the charming towns and villages of Normandy, Normandy is a testament to the enduring power of hope and remembrance. The Loire Valley, often referred to as the Garden of France, is a land of rolling hills, vineyards, and most notably magnificent castles. These architectural marvels, built by kings and nobles during the French Renaissance, stand as testaments to the wealth, power, and artistic brilliance of a bygone era. Château de Chambord, with its distinctive French Renaissance architecture and fairy tale-like turrets, is perhaps the most iconic of the Loire Valley castles. Explore its grand halls, climb its double helix staircase, and wander through its vast parkland. Legend has it that Leonardo da Vinci himself had a hand in designing the castle's innovative features. Continue your journey through the Loire Valley, discovering other architectural gems, each with its own unique charm. Château de Chenonceau, gracefully spanning the River Cher, is known as the Ladies' Château for the influential women who once resided here. Château de Villandry is renowned for its stunning gardens, a perfect example of Renaissance landscaping. The Loire Valley castles are more than just beautiful buildings. They are windows into the past, offering glimpses into the lives of the kings, queens, and courtiers who once called them home. As you wander through their chambers, imagine the courtly intrigues, the lavish banquets, and the whispers of romance that once filled these halls. Rising dramatically from the tidal flats of Normandy, Mont Saint-Michel is a sight to behold. This island commune, crowned by a medieval abbey, seems to float on the horizon. As you approach Mont Saint-Michel, its ethereal beauty takes your breath away. Legend says the archangel Michel appeared to a bishop in the 8th century, instructing him to build a monastery. Over centuries, the abbey became a major pilgrimage site and center of learning. Wander through the abbey's ramparts, exploring its cloisters and chapels. The tides of Mont Saint-Michel are legendary. Twice a day, the bay transforms, cutting off the island from the mainland. Mont Saint-Michel is a place of wonder and inspiration, a testament to faith and natural beauty. Ah, Provence. The very name conjures up images of sun-drenched fields awash in the vibrant hues of lavender, quaint villages perched atop rolling hills, and the scent of rosemary and thyme carried on the warm Mediterranean breeze. Provence is a feast for the senses, a place where time seems to move a little slower, and the simple pleasures of life take center stage. Imagine yourself driving along a winding country road, the windows rolled down, the air thick with the intoxicating aroma of lavender. You pass fields of sunflowers, their faces turned towards the sun, and vineyards heavy with grapes, promising a bountiful harvest. The villages of Provence, with their honey-colored stone houses, terracotta roofs, and overflowing flower boxes, seem to have sprung straight from the pages of a storybook. Stop for lunch at a village market where tables overflow with local produce, sun-ripened tomatoes, juicy melons, and olives glistening with oil. Locals greet each other with warm smiles and friendly chatter, their Provençal accents adding to the charm. Choose a crusty baguette, a selection of cheeses, and a bottle of locally produced rosé, and find a shady spot under a plane tree to savor the flavors of Provence. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the countryside, make your way to one of Provence's hilltop villages, such as Gordes or Roussillon. The views from these lofty perches are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the Luberon Valley, with its patchwork of vineyards, olive groves, and lavender fields. Provence is a gourmand's paradise, where fresh seasonal ingredients form the foundation of its culinary traditions. The region's cuisine is a celebration of the Mediterranean lifestyle, simple, flavorful, and best enjoyed with good company and a glass of local wine. Start your day the Provençal way with a leisurely breakfast at a local cafe. Order a café crème and a pain au chocolat, or indulge in a tartine, a slice of crusty bread topped with fresh fruit, honey, or jam. As you sip your coffee and watch the village come to life, you'll understand why the French have elevated breakfast to an art form. For lunch, seek out a traditional bistro or restaurant and sample some of the region's specialties. Bouillabaisse, a hearty fish stew originating from Marseille, is a must-try. Ratatouille, a colorful medley of eggplant, zucchini, peppers and tomatoes, is another classic. And no meal in Provence is complete without a taste of tapenade, a flavorful spread made from olives, capers and anchovies. In the evening, treat yourself to a dining experience at one of Provence's Michelin-starred restaurants. Here, renowned chefs transform locally sourced ingredients into culinary masterpieces. From delicate seafood dishes to innovative vegetarian creations, Provençal cuisine reaches new heights of sophistication and artistry. Bordeaux, a region synonymous with world-class wine, invites you to indulge in the finer things in life. Vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to centuries of winemaking tradition. Bordeaux offers an unforgettable journey into the world of viticulture. Your exploration begins in the city itself, a vibrant metropolis on the Garonne River. Bordeaux's historic centre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, blends grand architecture and lively promenades. Beyond the city, you'll find yourself in the heart of Bordeaux's wine country. Rolling hills blanketed in vineyards create a breathtaking landscape, especially in autumn. Visit prestigious chateaux for a glimpse into the winemaking process. No visit is complete without a tasting of Bordeaux's finest vintages. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, beckons with sunshine, glamour, and the Mediterranean's allure. Stretching along France's southeastern coast, this iconic region is a playground for the rich and famous. From the chic streets of Nice to the star-studded beaches of Cannes, the French Riviera offers a taste of paradise. Stroll along the Promenade des Anglais and soak up the views of the Baie des Anges. Cannes, synonymous with the glitz of the Cannes Film Festival, exudes sophistication. No trip to the French Riviera is complete without visiting Monaco, epitomizing luxury and extravagance. While the iconic landmarks of France draw millions of visitors each year, some of the country's most enchanting treasures lie off the beaten path. Discover hidden villages, unspoiled landscapes, and authentic experiences. The Alsace region captivates with its fairy tale charm and unique blend of cultures. Strasbourg, the capital, is a city of contrasts with medieval houses and a grand Gothic cathedral. Explore the city's canals by boat and enjoy a traditional Alsatian meal. Colmar, often called Little Venice, is a town seemingly frozen in time. Wander through its picturesque streets, admiring the colourful houses. The Dordogne region is a land of rolling hills, verdant forests, and prehistoric caves. Explore medieval castles and ancient cave paintings. The French Alps offer towering peaks, pristine lakes, and charming villages. In summer, hike through alpine meadows or relax by a crystal-clear lake. In winter, the Alps transform into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. As your French adventure draws to a close, take a moment to savor the memories you've made and the experiences you've shared. Perhaps you stood in awe beneath the Eiffel Tower, its iron latticework, a testament to human ingenuity. Maybe you wandered through the lavender fields of Provence, their intoxicating fragrance lingering in your senses, or perhaps you raised a glass of Bordeaux, its complex flavors a reflection of the region's rich terroir. France has a way of staying with you long after you've left its shores. The echoes of history, the aromas of freshly baked bread and strong coffee, the warmth of the people, these are the souvenirs you'll carry in your heart. And as you flip through your photos, reliving those special moments, you'll find yourself dreaming of your next French escapade. France is a country that rewards exploration, whether you're delving into the cultural tapestry of Paris, venturing off the beaten path in rural villages, or soaking up the sun on the French Riviera. Each region has its own unique character and allure, inviting you to discover its hidden gems and create your own story. As you return home from your travels, don't let the spirit of adventure fade. Let the lessons learned and the memories made inspire you to embrace new experiences and explore the world around you with open eyes and an open heart. Share your stories with friends and family, inspiring them to embark on their own adventures. Seek out opportunities to connect with other cultures, whether through food, music, art, or simply by striking up a conversation with someone new. The world is full of fascinating people and places waiting to be discovered. And remember, adventure doesn't have to mean traveling to far-flung corners of the globe. It can be as simple as trying a new restaurant in your own town, visiting a local museum you've never been to, or simply taking a different route on your daily commute. The key is to approach life with a sense of curiosity and a willingness to embrace the unknown. So, until your next grand adventure, keep the spirit of travel alive in your everyday life. Embrace new experiences, savor the simple joys, and never stop exploring the world around you. Bon voyage!